Hello children, let's learn some colors. Yellow color, yellow color, green color, green color, red color, red color, blue color, blue color, brown color, brown colors. Numbers 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 1 0 10 Let's learn some shapes. Square, square, circle, triangle, heart, heart, star. Colors: blue color, square, red color, circle, green color, triangle, yellow color, heart, brown color, star, One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children.